Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close? Beyond what the naked eye can see? Well, prepare to be amazed because today, we're diving into the microscopic world of everyday objects. What we discovered when we peered beneath the surface will truly leave you speechless. First up, let's take a look at a simple strand of hair. Under a microscope, it's not just a smooth, uniform fiber. Instead, you'll see overlapping scales like shingles on a roof. These scales, called cuticles, are what give hair its texture and shine. The shape and arrangement of these cuticles can even help scientists identify the species of animal the hair came from. Next, let's examine a common houseplant leaf. You might expect a flat, green surface, but the reality is far more complex. The microscope reveals a network of cells, each with its own structure and purpose. You can see the stomata, tiny pores that allow the leaf to breathe, opening and closing to regulate gas exchange. The intricate patterns and structures are truly a testament to nature's design. Now, let's move on to something a bit more personal. A human fingerprint. These unique patterns are how we identify ourselves, and under the microscope, their complexity becomes even more apparent. You can see the ridges and valleys in incredible detail, along with the tiny sweat pores that create the distinct patterns. It's a reminder that even the most familiar things hold secrets, waiting to be discovered. And finally, let's look at a seemingly simple object, a grain of sand. This isn't just a uniform particle, it's a miniature landscape. You'll see tiny crystals, minerals, and imperfections, each telling a story of the sand's journey. Sand can reveal the history of geological processes, and its complexity showcases the power of time and the elements. So, the next time you look at these everyday objects, remember the hidden world that lies beneath. From hair to leaves, fingerprints to sand, the microscopic world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. It's a reminder that beauty and complexity are all around us, often hidden in plain sight. What other everyday objects would you like to see under a microscope? Let us know in the comments below.